In today's Consumer Alert, the pandemic led to massive layoffs in 2020, with the economy shedding millions of jobs that year. But in 2021, there was a major turnaround. Laura Podesta has the latest job numbers from Washington.
Businesses across the country are hiring, with millions of positions currently open. So analysts are disappointed the economy added just 199,000 jobs in December, about half of what was expected. Still, the job market remains on positive ground and is moving closer to pre-pandemic levels.
Since the pandemic low, which we saw in April of 2020, the economy has added back over 18 million jobs. Yes, that does leave us 3 million shy of where we were prior, but the market overall has been incredibly resilient.
In 12 months, the unemployment rate fell from 6.7% to now just 3.9%.
The Labor Department says 3 million people were unable to work last month because the pandemic forced their employer to close or lose business. And the fear is that number will continue to rise as coronavirus cases climb higher.
The Mulvaney's B&L restaurant in Sacramento is temporarily shutting down after a number of employees tested positive for COVID-19.
As much as we hate it, 2 years into this darn thing, it's time to just say, let's take a week off and reassess.
The latest surge of infections is expected to slow hiring.
Don't forget, the economy is still moving forward. We could see a pullback for a month or 6 weeks, and that could impact growth.
But businesses are hoping Omicron cases will start to fade in the coming weeks, and the economic impact is only temporary. Laura Podesta, CBS News, Washington.
The current 3.9% unemployment rate is closing in on pre-pandemic levels. In February 2020, that rate was at a historic low of 3.5%. The IRS is cracking down on small business owners who use payment apps like Venmo, PayPal, and Cash App. Starting this year, the platforms will be required to report business transactions that total more than $600 for the year. The change only applies to commercial transactions and not personal charges between family and friends.